Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, today we're trying something new, something special. It's going to happen once or twice a month. This is going to be a Russ's Market edition of Cooking with Corey. To give you a little background on myself, I was a professional chef for 12 years here in Lincoln. I went back to meat cutting 5 years ago. So all you Russ's people might know me. I was the assistant meat manager at the Cottington Market. I got promoted to manager to Havelock, and now I'm the manager of the 17th and Washington meat department. So we're going to give you a little something today. Hatch chili buffalo chicken dip. That's next on Cooking with Corey. And hey, you new subscribers and peeps from Russ's Market, don't forget to click that little thing down there on the right side. It says Cooking with Corey. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the one on top so you get all notifications of Russ's Market editions and over the 120 plus cooking videos I have on Cooking with Corey. Alright, let's get this Russ's Market edition of Cooking with Corey going off. We're going to use some chicken Philly quick steak. We got some creamy triple cheddar, we got some sharp cheddar, we got some ranch, we got some Frank's Red Hot, we got some Tostitos Coops, we got some blue cheese, we got some Philadelphia cream cheese, we got some green onion scallion, we got a delicious clove of garlic, and we got a mild hatch chili. Hey, let's get this cook going next on this Russ's edition, Russ's Market edition of Cooking with Corey. Alright, everybody who follows Cooking with Corey knows what's coming next. It's called Chop-O-Matic. And hey, all you new subscribers and you Russ's Market customers, that's what's going to come up next. That's when we chop this up. It is called Chop-O-Matic. I will have the recipe down in the description box for you, and I will talk about it along the way. Hey, Chop-O-Matic next. Russ's edition of Cooking with Corey. Alright, I did some stuff for you guys who are away. Half a cup of ranch, half a cup of your favorite hot sauce. I'm using Frank's obviously today. We got some blue cheese here, half a package, 2.5 ounces of your favorite blue cheese. You can use blue cheese dressing if you want. We're using crumpled blue cheese here, 8-ounce thing of cream cheese of your liking, and whatever cheese you want to put. One of these is 2 cups, so we'll probably use 2 cups, and that is 8 ounces. So that's what's coming up next. And Chop-O-Matic did his job. As you can see here, we got our onion, our garlic, our scallion or green onion, and our 1 hatch chili. I don't know if we're going to use all this onion. We might. So let's get this going in the pan next, and we will get it in the oven soon. Alright, at this point in time, we are going to add our garlic, our onion, and our delicious hatch chili to this. We're going to give them a little head start before we add our chicken Philly meat, a whole package, 12 ounces. Hey, and don't forget, it comes with this. We're not going to be using this, but save it. I mean, it is wonderful to use it on burgers or in meatloaf, whatever you want. It's not in this dish. We'll be back. What you want to do, bring this up over medium heat. We just want to soften our vegetables. Add our chicken next. As you can see, our vegetables are softening. Our onions getting translucent. Our hatches are softening up, by the way. Our garlic is nice and brown and ready to go. I don't know if I mentioned before, I did start all that off with a tablespoon of olive oil. Now, let's get this going. Our whole package of our chicken from our chicken Philly mix can go in there. And move it around. All we're doing right now is cooking that chicken through. Alright, our chicken is cooked through. I might add that you can do that from frozen. I did thaw mine out in the fridge, but you can also do that from frozen. It works just as quickly too. So from there, we're going to add our delicious cream cheese into the mix here. your best to get around there. We will add our ranch. Half cup of ranch to that. We will add our Frank's Red Hot. Half a cup of that. We will also add our blue cheese. My hands are impeccably clean, so I'm gonna melt this through. Just for a bonus cheese, just to make it a little more cheesier. Just add a good handful of any cheese of your choice. We're gonna use this delicious creamy triple cheddar. That'll go in the mix. We're gonna turn this off. We're gonna take it to the plate next. Actually, it's a pie dish. We're gonna throw that in the oven. Oven is heating to 350. Get ready to put this in. This is exactly how we should be looking before we go into the oven with this nice, creamy, consistent texture. All right, let's get this ready to go into the oven. And we got our delicious mixture. This isn't gonna take long in the oven. We're just gonna add some stuff to the top that we just want to melt into it. So this is a 9-inch baking pan, baking dish. Use what you want, use what you wish, use what you got. It really doesn't matter. I mean, you could eat it as it is right now, to be honest with you. So here we go. We're gonna add a little bit more cheese to the top of this. Just to make it a little more naughty for everybody. Here we go. And one thing I like to do, and this is totally optional too, it's gonna make some noise because my camera's gonna pick this crunching up. I like to take some of those Tostino scoops and crunch those all over the top. Hey, this is gonna go into the oven 20 to 30 minutes at 350. I'll show it to you when it's done. All right, and welcome back. I'm gonna show you the final product. It's been in the oven for 20 minutes. And there we got it, everyone. Doesn't that look delicious? Hey, let's finish it off. Let's make it look just a little bit better. I got it on a serving platter. Got my Tostino chips around it. All delicious looking. That scallion that we had, let's hit it with a little bit of that. There you got it. Hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. That little thing in the bottom right-hand side, I would appreciate it. Hey, don't forget to come to Russ's Market and buy all this delicious stuff and make it yourself. Russ's Market shoppers, I thank you, and I hope you hit that subscribe button, and I hope you keep shopping Russ's Market, where quality matters.